Good morning guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Rena if you're new here today. I am currently in pyjamas, but I've done my makeup and hair. I'm actually going to London this afternoon for the new Christian Louboutin makeup launch for their eyewear, and also we're going to be having some dinner together. I've never filmed in front of other vloggers before, so I don't know how confident I'm going to be feeling. As you guys know, I'm fairly new to YouTube and I do videos here and there, so it's been a bit of a hit and miss, but I'm really grateful for this opportunity and I'm going to take you guys along with me. I don't know how well detailed this video will be. I have a feeling it's going to be quite choppy because I'm going all there by myself, so I'm going to film as much as I can. If you guys like these types of videos where I'm out and about meeting other makeup brands, then give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you're new here today, and without further ado, let's get right into this video.